Your first website, a guide to buying and setting up a domain name. Are you ready to establish your online presence with your very own website? One of the first steps in this exciting journey is acquiring and setting up a domain name. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of purchasing a domain name and getting your website up and running. So, you've decided to take the plunge into the digital world by creating your first website. Congratulations! The first thing you need to do is secure a domain name. A domain name is your online address, the way people will find and remember your website. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. 1. Choose the perfect domain name. Selecting the right domain name is crucial. It should reflect your website's purpose and be easy to remember. Keep it concise, relevant, and preferably avoid using hyphens or numbers. Brainstorm a few options and check for their availability. 2. Check domain availability. Use a domain name registrar or a domain search tool to see if your desired domain name is available. Your first choice might already be taken, so have a few alternatives ready. 3. Select a domain extension. Domain extensions, also known as top-level domains, TLDs, are the endings of domain names like .com, .net, .org, etc. Choose an extension that aligns with your website's purpose. The .com extension is widely recognized and preferred. 4. Register your domain. Once you've found an available domain name, register it through a domain registrar. Popular registrars include GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Google Domains. Registering typically involves creating an account, providing contact information, and making a payment. 5. Configure domain settings. After registration, you'll have access to your domain settings. You can set up domain privacy protection to keep your personal information private and configure domain name servers, DNS, to connect your domain to your web hosting service. 6. Choose a web hosting provider. Your website's files need to be stored on a server to be accessible online. Choose a reliable web hosting provider that suits your needs. Shared hosting is cost-effective for beginners, while options like VPS and dedicated hosting offer more resources and control. 7. Link domain and hosting. To connect your domain with your hosting service, update your domain's DNS records with the hosting provider's name servers. This step might take some time to propagate across the internet. 8. Set up your website. With your domain linked to hosting, you can now start building your website. You can use website builders like WordPress, Wix, or create a custom website using HTML, CSS, and other programming languages. 9. Test and publish. Before launching your website, thoroughly test its functionality and design. Once you're satisfied, it's time to publish it for the world to see.